Let's we are.
Welcome back to the D-Rock lair, which is in the dungeon, or is it a nest? I don't know, but there's panties, and I smell someone's soul. V-Rock! Got some V-Rock virgins here in the studio. Bitches! What do you think of Priest? Yeah, wow, honey. You smuggling some peanuts under that shirt? Why don't you show Laszlo your bazamba? Oh, yeah.
É isso, né?
Oh, hello.
Faz 10 horas, não é, rapaz?
Laszlo, why are you covering your eyes? Hey, kids. Why...
Vai quantas horas tem? 7? Sei lá, deixa eu ver. E pior que não dá, não. Eu tenho que. 6 horas eu tenho que fechar. 6 horas é o limite aqui da manhã. Cadê a próxima?
Saturday watching boring cartoons about fighting aliens when you can help fight real
Tem Holy Diver e tem
safety fun.
Rock You Like a Hurricane que eu lembro, né? Até mais, né?
Hi, kids. I'm Derek the Dodo. Today, I'm gonna teach you all about gun safety.
Não é, ele vai na loja de carro, né? Não compra um carro,
Guns can
tem
be
que esperar
very
ele.
dangerous, especially
Ele
to
só
little
foi
kids
olhar
who
só.
don't like hole shot in them or the birds on deserted islands. Of course, the nice sailors only wanted to be friends, but that
Enquanto tá umas propagandas aí, peraí. As propagandas.
Derek will teach the kids what to do if they find a gun around the house.
what do we do first?
We pick it up.
Second?
Check is loaded.
Right, because we don't want any nasty accidents. So look down the barrel
Na
and...
contramão aí dentro.
Yep, it's loaded, Henry. And you made a mess. Next, carefully file off the serial number and conceal it quickly about your person.
Ammunition and Derek the Dodo have been proudly bringing gun safety to your community for over 30 years. Ammunition, protecting your kids' rights.
Ammunition.
Então, abraço. Vou ter que ficar devendo. Quantos? 4 horas ainda? Menos de 4. Zabé aprovou essa. Zabé tá contratando. Beleza, boa noite, bom descanso aí. Tá pega, foi dormir tarde, hein? É quase 5 da manhã. Não xingando o time de Portugal lá, assim. É, ele já falou, né, que não é de Portugal, né, é de empresário aí. Pensando que ele é de Portugal. Ih, ah, nossa, não, chega de táxi. Uma fofura. Não, troquei. Não. Ah, de novo? Caramba. Aí, pronto. Aqui? Não. Aqui não. Não é aqui também. Uma fofura. Agora o problema é saber qual que é.
I don't respect you, Dad. You're not strong anymore. That's why I let the tennis coach take Mom.
And he's got only one way
Aqui.
to have the respect of his son.
Welcome to the 15th
Agora o táxi pula.
Worldwide Push-Up Contest held in Tokyo, China.
For the first time in my life, I'm gonna cry. I'll never be that big Russian.
Yeah, I push up for the collective.
An individual against a collective system of oppression.
25, 26,
Action,
105, 106,
adventure,
Engraçado isso.
313.
suspense,
Are you tired now, American?
commie, bricks, plus a story that will touch your heart.
I'm here to help you, Timmy.
You're not my mom. You were just bagging them for Coke money.
Fuck off, you little brat. In 5 years, you'll be a freebasing rat.
It's Bruno's greatest challenge to save his honor, his son, and his manhood.
Eu nem sei onde eu tô, acho que eu tô perto do lixão aqui.
American tradition.
How would you like to be the poor sucker who doesn't have his radio tuned to V-Rock when we send out the Vulture Prize Patrol? And any
Peraí.
if you see the V-Rock
Agora que eu vi que aumentou um pouco aqui.
Patrol, honk your horn, pull him over, and show him what you do for some great prizes. Sluts! I put a V-Rock sticker on my girl's ass before I jump her bones.
Yeah, so send a self-addressed stamped envelope to us here at the station. We're outside of Vice City in Red Dick, Florida. That's where the transmitter is. And we'll mail you a V-Rock sticker, man.
What's the address, Laszlo?
Oh, it's V-Rock, P.O. Box 105, Red Dick, Florida 32686. And make sure you include a self-addressed stamped envelope, because stamps cost money.
Ah.
And rock and roll ain't free. Right, Ed?
On to more V-Rock!
a... a do Hudson é a Emotion lá que só tem música romântica. Esse é.
Hey kids, Saturday morning, skip the cartoons and head to some real-life Saturday safety fun at Ammunition with Derek the Dodo.
As músicas românticas lá.
You see, kids, guns aren't the problem. You know what the problem is. Anti-gun zealots.
Yeah, lefty scum.
Real men don't own a gun. They own 5 or more. Make sure your daddy's a real man.
Hi, Derek. I love you.
Aw, that's sweet. I love you too. What's your question?
When I find a gun at home, did you say to look down the barrel and pull the trigger?
Sure, honey. Give it a go.
Like this?
You see? Girls are stupid. To heck if a gun is loaded, you should always point it away from you at an immigrant or a banker.
Yay!
Ammunition and Derek the Dodo have been proudly bringing gun safety to your community for over 30 years. Ammunition, protecting your kid.
Oh. Ah, botou errado de novo.
Yeah, it's great knowing everyone's
É aqui que vai ser a casa.
Exactly.